My name is Yi Tang. I am alternative medicine practitioner. I'm a natural therapist. My job is help patient, and this patient need better health care to improve the physical or mental condition. Alternative medicine can use to treat many disorders, disease, or injuries. They can be a part of good health care. Today, I'm going to let you know that alternative medicine could be used to treat a mental disorder or mental disease. So United States, there are many people get some kind of mental disorders. About 22% adults have some experience about the mental disorder. If we transfer the people, about 57 million people have some kind of mental disorder. In these 57 million people there, inside about 14 million people have serious mental disorder. And about 2.6 million people, they had some kind of suicide thoughts. About 46,000 people died because of suicide thoughts, because of their mental disorder, suicide thoughts. So this mental disorder can cause people life huge different. Mental disorder or disease can cause people feeling, think, motion, action change. In other words, they can change people's study, doing job, or action, or family life. That's a mental condition there. The good news, there are in the United States have many mental health care professionals or practitioners. They are doing job is how people get better mental conditions. For example, psychologist doctor, psychiatrist doctor, counselors, or psychiatrist nurse, or many psychotherapists, or many different types of alternative medicine. They also treat the mental disorder or disease. So people have many choices. If you or your family have some mental disorders, you should get somebody to help you. Get a better mental health. That can make your life better. But how are you choose mental health care professionals? The most important for you is you find the right one who can help you. You need to get enough time treatment. Many people has a mental problem or disease, maybe months or even years, they never get better. So they need to take time, get the treatment. So need the time treatment. For you need to keep the very important key is your mental condition need to get step by step get better. If you don't get better, you need to find another one who can improve your condition. That's most important for you. In United States, how about the mental health care? The cost could be huge different. It will depend on your person, what kind of mental disorder, how serious disorder. Also, related what kind of health care you use, what kind of professional service you use. Those can cause a huge difference. At the average, about, for example, departure treatment, or fisherman's average treatment departure all year maybe cost $10,000. But if you use alternative medicine to treat the departure, maybe only costs all year only $5,000. That cost could be huge different. But the most important for you, you need to get improvement. You need to get a better mental health. That's the most important. Today, I'd like to talk to you about I'm using alternative medicine help patient. Because I treated many different mental disorder, many patients, I just give you some examples, just so you understand how it's possible alternative medicine can improve patients' mental health. I just give you 8 examples. The sleep patient is their research, alternative medicine. They find me, I'm doing alternative medicine service to help patients. A lot of 5 patients come and see me get alternative because they did visit official medical societies. They, in some way, their mental condition don't get good improvement. Or the mental condition some way get worse. That's why they want to try alternative medicine. So now, let me give you some 3 people who research alternative medicine come and get treatment. One is a 43 years old lady. She's suffering stress, anxiety, depression, low energy, and sleeping disorder. She can wake up every night once, 2 times, and too hard back to sleeping. About half a year. So she come to my natural healing office to try alternative medicine. After first weekend with natural therapy, she feels some better. And sleeping also some little bit too. So she feels that's right to praise God. So then she finished a 12 office visit with natural therapy, this treatment courses. Her stress, depression, anxiety, low energy, basically this symptom is gone. She's sleeping back to normal. She's happy about use alternative medicine. Another one is 39 years old lady. She had divorced. And she feel angry, sadly, unhappy, depression, no energy, and with serious sleeping disorder. She wake up in the night, she have to take a sleeping pill. Only can sleep in 4 hours, take sleeping pill. So that's daytime very stressful. So she come to try alternative medicine. After first visit and 1 week natural therapy, she feel some little better, also sleeping some way get better. Then she keep the 12 weeks natural therapy. Her stress, depression, angry, they all condition step by step is gone. And sleeping back normal. She's happy about the use of alternative medicine. So the one is about the 40 years old lady. She had stress, anxiety, low energy, overeating, fingernails biting, neck stuff. Her mind is that cannot stop thinking. For example, if she work all day, then finish there, she's supposed to stop thinking. But her mind is keep going, think job, think business. That blink no stop. So, the same time also she have no good night sleeping. So she researched alternative medicine, come in my office trying the natural therapy. By weekend visit with office visit with natural therapy, after first week she feel some better. And all symptoms like stress, anxiety, fingernails beating, overeating, next day, some way she feels some better. Then she finished 12 weeks with natural therapies. Her all symptoms, stress, anxiety, low energy, overeating, biting fingernails, stuffed neck, and they cannot stop thinking, everything stopped. She feel her mental condition back normal. And her sleeping also back normal too. She's happy about the use of alternative medicine. So this is about some people case they're not very, very serious. It's a little serious problem, but alternative medicine get shorter therapy. In most cases, they can get good improvement. Now I need to talk to you about some patients have very serious mental problem. They did visit official medicine doctors or therapists, but they still have very serious mental problem. That's why they want to try alternative medicine. First one is about the 24 years old young teacher. He started from 6 years about the mental disorder and had been treated by psychiatric doctor or medication about 6 years. Later this year, his condition stress, depression get worse. And also, she feel more sadness, angry, fear, overthink, low energies, and the pain in the neck or shoulder. Because of these 6 years of fish-based treatment, he don't feel big improvement. That's why he come to try alternative medicine. After first weakening office visit with 1 week natural therapy, he can feel something better. Mentally or physically feel some better. Okay? So that he keep going on. Finish the first 12 weeks treatment. Then he can feel in the stress, depression, sadness, angry, overthink, no energy, neck pain, shoulder pain, everything he feel get some improvement. Now, after 12 weekly therapy, he really feels something good improvement. He finds the right place for his health care. So he keep going on, get a weekly office visit with natural therapy through to 24 weeks. He reported that he feel much better about the things in the 6 years. This 6 years because he already get official medicine treatment, but now the 6 years, the first time, he feel much better. His stress, depression, everything get much better. He really feel that. So then he keep going on, get 30 weeks, finish 30 weeks natural therapy. His all symptoms, like stress, depression, sadness, angry, overthink, no energy, pain in the neck and shoulder, all symptoms is gone. He feel physically, mentally, he feel back to normal. He feel he get very good health care by use alternative medicine. He more enjoying his life, enjoying his doing job. He feel good life. Another one is 40 years old female. She was suffering depression, stress, suddenly feeling fear about 7 years. This mental disorder also can cause her physical disorder, such as digestive system, gas, butch, or abdomen uncomfortable. She did the surgery, received the psychotherapist, and with the psychiatric doctor in these 7 years, but she don't feel better. Then the doctor wanted her use the antidepressant drugs. But she don't want to use the drugs. So that's why she come to try alternative medicine. So after first week with natural therapy, she feels some little better feeling and doing jobs much more little more easy. Then she keep going on, finish 12 week in natural therapies. Her stress, depression, and sadness basically is gone. She feels the mental condition huge improvement. Then she just keep a little more 2 weeks treatment, natural therapy. She basically feel back normal. So she get a good health care without use of chronic drugs. She's happy about the alternative medicine can help her get a better health life. Another one is the man about 42 years old banker. He gets stress, depression, motion difficult, anxiety, overeating, fingernails bleeding, fatigue, and very poor sleeping. But he also have another problem too, has a physical problem. He had a Hodgkin's disease in the 80 years old. That's one kind of lymph node cancer. He get the radiation treatment, chemotherapy treatment. This disease is basically cure, but leaving him many satisfaction. He since that time he always feel allergy, nose congesting, sneezing, or always feel hungry, feel tired, since that about 34 years since that. So now he feel more mental disorder. So he want to try alternative medicine for his physical, mental condition get better. That he want to try. Basically, this person coming, he get a weekend with natural therapy. After first weekend office visit with natural therapy, she can feel something better. So then he keep going, finish 12 weeks natural therapy. He can feel in the mentally, physically, many conditions get some noticed improvement. So he feel it's natural medicine, alternative medicine right for him. Then he keep going on about 25 weeks alternative medicine treatment. Every condition keep going step by step, get more better, more better. After 30 weeks treatment, he can really feel his physical, mental condition huge change, huge improvement. So he keep going on, used alternative medicine to 60 weeks season. He feel the mental disorder symptoms, all symptoms like stress, depression, motion difficult, anxiety, overeating, fingernails bleeding, all symptoms is gone. And he had a good night sleeping more quality, daytime have more energy. He's more enjoying his life. And his business, he's doing job. Feel much enjoying more easy. So that's why he's happy about the use of alternative medicine. Now I also have another one. He had 50 years older. He had a mental disease and insomnia. And he did with the psychiatric doctor, get the medications, take sleeping pills, antidepressant drugs 5 years. The medication can help he feel sleeping, but the sleeping is no deeply, no quality. In the daytime, he still feel no energy, depression, stress, anxiety, poor memory, and uncontrolled thought. He think about suicide. At the same time, also he feel chest pain. He also have a high blood pressure. He trying to talk to his psychiatric doctor change the treatment, but they trying different drugs, but the chest pain still there. He feel very difficult of life. That's why he want suicide. Then his wife talked to him, don't do stupid things. Our children no grew up yet. They need our take care of children. Don't do some strange thing, okay? So if you have problem, you have difficult, try something also. So that's why he come to try the alternative medicine. First of all, he are not sure the alternative can treat the mental disease. He just trying to alternatively treat his chest pain. That's almost like before the heart attack. That's kind of symptom. He want to try because he feel difficult to do job. After 2 weeks, natural therapy, he feel chest pain much better. And generally we mentally feel some kind, a little better, but not sure yet. So after 6 weeks natural therapy, his chest pain is gone. Suicide thoughts much less. Then he know the alternative medicine is good for him. Then he keep going on. After 20 weeks natural therapy, his all mental disorder symptoms such as depression, stress, anxiety, much less. Uncontrolled thoughts, suicide thoughts, no more. He's sleeping much better, and the blood pressure back to normal. Since that time, he just keep going, use alternative medicine for his health care. He every 2 weeks get an office visit with nature survey. Now it's more than 10 years. He keep good physical, mental condition. Now his blood pressure like younger people. He now is about 60 years old, but the blood pressure very good. And he compare his friends or co-workers who have similar health problem use of fish medicine. Many people, they don't get a good improvement. And also the use of fish medicine costs much, much more. So this patient very happy about the use of alternative medicine. Now, I give you another one example. It's about the 28 years old young lady. She get depression, anxiety, sleeping disorder, thinking too much, had suicide thoughts about 17 years. Long time history of mental disorder. She did with the psychologist, doctors, social work, or psychiatric doctor, or many different therapies, mental therapies, about 7 years. This later 3 years, because the whole condition get worse. Mental condition get worse. She basically every day, night need drugs, sleeping drugs. They also take many drugs for anti-depression, anti-psycho drugs. But she every day, she get a suicide thought. She want to kill herself every day. That's a very serious problem, very risky. So now, the patient and the family think the official medicine maybe is not right for her. So that's why she want to try alternative medicine. So she come to my office. By weakening with natural therapy, after first 2 weeks, the office with natural therapy, she feel depression, stress, anxiety, feel something get some kind of reduced, some kind of better. Then she finish the first 12 season natural therapy. Her stress, depression, anxiety, really she can feel get some improvement. And this 12 season, 12 weeks, she only have 1 to 2 times suicide thought. Before they come in natural therapy, she's every day have suicide thought. Now, 12 weeks only have 1 to 2 times suicide thought. So her mental disorder beginning improvement. Then she finished second 12 weekend therapy. Her stress, anxiety, depression get much, much improved. Also, she cut some drugs too, about 25%. She still feel okay. Then she finished third 12 weeks natural therapy. She only have 1 time have suicide thoughts. Most days, don't have any suicide thoughts. Stress, anxiety, depression are very, very less. She understands the autonomous works for him. After the third 12 weeks she also come out one time suicide again. I reviewed this patient. She have suicide thoughts that days before menstruation time. Usually women's menstruation that the emotion is not stable, but also she had history about the head trauma. About 90 years old, she get injured in head. But how treatment, I'm not sure. Here don't remember what is the treatment there. So I concerned her. The mental condition also related to his whole brain injury. So that is in the fourth 12-week therapies. I end some treatment for brain injury, same time as treated the mental disorder. Then I finished the third week. First 12 weeks with treatment, she no more suicides. No more suicides are show up. Her sleeping much better. She can sleeping 8 hours a night. Her stress, anxiety, depression, very, very little. Her mood is much better. She told me that she had many, many years, many Christmas day are happy. Now this Christmas is much happy. Her mood is get much improvement. Her physical, mental condition get good improvement. So that's about alternative medicine can use to treat the mental disease or mental disorder. Even some patients did get official treatment, they don't get better, they still have a chance. By use alternative medicine, the patient can get a better improvement. To review these cases, I would like to talk to you. Patients have a new choice for your health care. You can choose alternative medicine be your health care. That can help you. If you and your family member, your friends, want the alternative medicine be a part of your life, please give me a call. My phone number is 847-492-0939. My phone number is 847-492-0939. I would do my best to help you. You have a chance to improve your mental or physical condition by use alternative medicine. This is your opportunity. This is your right and your responsibility. Your choice can make your life different. Make your life maybe hugely different. That's the chance. That's the opportunity. I wish you good luck, better health, happy life. Thank you for your watching.